Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Wednesday, July 23rd, and I have two fun things to share with you. The first is called Acorn Love. This is the Acorn Love Runner Kit, which includes a pattern and fabric for runner top and binding. The fabric featured is Happy Fall Days by Kelsey Carlson. There's the whole picture of the whole thing. And the pattern's by Lori Holt of Be In My Bonnet. The finished size is 15 times 65. Very cute kit. I love the Riley Blake boxes because they have magnetized closures so you can reuse them for other things later. And then we have garden variety. And here are the fat quarter bundles. Look how pretty all those colors are together. And we have all the bolts too. So Garden Variety by Anna Maria Perry. And I'm going to stop what I'm saying because once I show you these fabrics, I'm going to show you the inside of them. And it's really fun because you can use either side that appeals to you. But look how fun that is. They're like little ties. So a lot of these have flip sides, but I won't be showing you all of them. You'll just have to come in and see. Garden Variety by Anna Maria Perry runs deep in the textures of the home space with a modern kick of playful color and interest. These yarn-dyed wovens promise to weave captivating stories into your patchwork and lend a soft, worldly energy to your garments. Each design showcases a classic woven pattern inspired by the hues of Anna Maria's garden. And this is by Anna Maria Textiles for Northcott. And I'll show you, let's look at the inside of this one. Look at that. So different. It's the slubs from the front, which really gives you two options for pretty much every piece. Maybe not these. These look like they would be the same front and back. Yeah, they are. But they're really soft wovens. It feels like they would make terrific summer dresses or like big gathered pants. So if you're looking for something a little different, or they would make a really nice summer weight quilt. Oh, and Linda says behind the camera that they would make a nice scarf. I'm lip reading. That's a fun color combo. And we've got a couple more. And then this one was actually rolled backwards, which is how we knew to check the back sides. So this one is this on the front side and this on the back side. How fun is that? So again, this is called Garden Variety. It's by Anna Maria Perry, and it's available now. I also wanted to share with you what I did here yesterday. I was in the shoe class, Snazzy Sneakers class, and this is my snazzy sneaker. I made one in class. I'm going to finish the other one tonight, but I did want to show you this, and we are actually running this class again in October. So you can make your own snazzy sneakers if you would like to come in for one of those classes. So I'll put the link for that in the description of today's video. Hope you guys have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.